Today is the center part, and it's not just any part because you know that I love volume at the crown, so I don't do my center part all the way back. Instead, it's more of a combo. So half of my head, I'm going to do the horizontal or the latter part and style all that section back. Then the front section, I'm going to do the center part. So this allows me to have that lift and that volume at the crown of my head, but still have the look of the center part right in the very front. Yes, I'm still gonna have some problem with that little cowlick area. Those baby hairs just want to do whatever they want to do. But this is still going to give me that center part look, but still also give me some volume. Now that this part is set in place, I'm going to scrunch it, do all of the styling, and get it dried up and show you all the tips and tricks to set this part in place. And I'm going to diffuse it today and use some root clips as well, so you can see how I can pump up the volume even with this center part. To dry this look, I'm doing pixie diffusing, and I'm using the back of my rat tail comb to help me lift the hair up and into that diffuser cup and just holding that in place so that the curl dries in that upward lifted position. And this helps to get more volume overall. And then I'm using the root clips on the back section of my hair. I have about 5 here, just in a headband formation, in order for that hair to dry lifted. And then when my hair is completely dry, I'm just going to shake out the roots. What that's doing is just breaking up the curl clumps that are right at the scalp so that I can create a little bit more airspace and a little more volume there, only at the roots. So you see, I'm not brushing through my hair at all. My hands are touching my scalp this entire time. I'm not moving them out, just shaking it out a little bit. And then I'm going to scrunch out any gel crunch that there is all around my hair. And you can see this styling, if you've watched some of my other videos, how different my curl pattern looks with this just scrunching in the product technique. It's definitely a wavier look rather than the ringlets. And it definitely gives me more lift. I love the sort of wild boho chic look that this is giving me. And again, the back half is all styled back, and then just that front half is the center part. So let me know what you think of this half center part, half horizontal styling for the part. Play around, let me know what you think. I'd love to hear all about it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. I upload videos every week, and I look forward to seeing you next time.